Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the problem on forward difference operator. So given are these things and we have to find del 5 of y0, that is the fifth difference of y0. So the first difference of y0 is del y0, which is nothing but y1 minus y0. Then the second difference of y0 is nothing but delta of y1 minus delta of y0, and so on. We will do this calculation till we get del phi of y0. But if you see here, to find del square of y0, that is the second difference of y0, we need del y1 and del y0. So again we will calculate delta of y1 and so on. But this will be a very lengthy procedure. Instead, we can find the fifth difference of y0 by constructing a difference table. So what is the difference table? Difference table will make this calculation very simple. So here we write the initial variable x, here we write the variable y, here we write the first difference delta y, here we write the second difference delta square y, third difference, then fourth difference, and fifth difference. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to write here the initial variables. Here we have y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So here we will have x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Similarly, here we will have corresponding y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Now we need to calculate the first difference of del y. So to calculate the first difference of del y, we know that it is nothing but y1 minus y0, that is y1 minus y0, these two subtraction. So what are y1 and y0? y1 and y0 are 3, 10. So here we will write 3, 10, 80, 190, 100 and 12. So to find del y of y0, we need y1 minus y0, that is 10 minus 3, which is nothing but 7. Similarly, y2 minus y1, which will get del y1. So here we will get first difference of all the terms. So y2 minus y1 will be del of y1. Okay, so here we get 80 minus 10, which is 70. Similarly, y3 minus y2, which is 190 minus 80, which is 1110. Now y4 minus y3, 100 minus 190 is minus 90. Then y5 minus y4, that is 12 minus 100, which is minus 88. So these are the first difference of successive terms. Now we will calculate the second difference. So 70 minus 7, this minus this, will become 63. Then 1110 minus 70, this is the second difference of y3 and y2. So 1110 minus 170 will be 40. Similarly, minus 90 minus 110, so it will be minus 200. So minus 88 and minus of minus 90, which it will be 2. Now these are the second differences. Then we will calculate the third difference. Okay, so 40 minus 63 will be minus 23. Minus 200 minus 40 will be minus 240. 2 minus of minus 200, so it is 200 plus 2, that is 202. Now we will calculate the fourth difference. So minus 240 minus of minus 23, it will become minus 217. It is simply this term minus this term, that is minus 240 minus of minus 23, so it will give 217. Then we have 202 minus of 240, so this will become 442. So these are the fourth difference. Then we have the fifth difference of these two, so this will be 659. So the fifth difference of y0 is nothing but 659. So in this way, just by doing the continuous subtraction of successive terms, we can obtain del phi of y0, that is fifth difference of y0. Where we are going to use this, we will see in our next video. So stay tuned for our future lectures.